Everyone loves Mickey. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Hi everybody, I'm going to read this. Everyone loves Mickey. Everybody loves Mickey Mouse. Let's count all the ways. Goofy loves how Mickey always
See the sound?
Lunges.
It's a letter A.
Lunges.
Slowly. Again, what's the word? Start with the L. I think, wait. It's not a letter A, sorry. It's a letter E. Again, sorry. I thought it's a letter A. Say the sound, the L. What's the word?
Lends a helping hand. Baking cookie.
No, you cannot see it because it says, what does it say? Baking. I think it says baking contest.
Baking contest.
Okay. Turn to the next page.
I love cookies. So those are cookies.
Oh, turn to the next one.
What are these?
Oh, read this. What does it say?
Are those disco balls?
Yeah, those are disco balls. Yeah, this one is, I think, yeah. These
And
are
what
disco
is
balls.
that? What are those ears?
Oh, you read now. What does it say now?
And some balloons. Balloons. Yeah.
This one, what does it say now?
Sit down.
Continue reading.
Oh, those are cupcakes. I'm gonna hate eating the cupcakes.
Read now. What does it say now? Here.
It's in the hole. Look at that.
When you see the AI, the sound is?
Daisy loves that Mickey is her best,
Say the sound of B.
biggest friend.
No, it's not friend. Say the sound of F.
Friend
Say the sound of the F.
and fan. It just jumped off. Donald loves. Oh no.
Wait, I think that's a package.
A few inches later.
Go back.
Is it the sharpener?
Maybe. Okay, go. Continue.
Huh. Is that a fish?
Continue now. Let's
I
continue
think
now.
we're almost done.
Yeah. Start here
2
now.
pages left. 3 pages left. And then we're done.
Yeah.
3
okay.
pages left.
Oh, continue now.
Donald loves
There's an S.
Donald loves how hard Mickey always tries. Go to the next page. Whoa!
Let me see. Did you skip a page?
No,
Oh,
I
okay.
didn't. Look at that blue thing. What's that? What is that blue thing?
Now continue now.
Is
It's a
that
pillow. It's a
Pluto?
pillow for Pluto.
And those are dog bones.
Continue.
Pluto loves when Mickey comes home with a surprise.
Again. When you see the you are, the sound is again.
Surprise.
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 But there's an exclamation point.
Surprise! Yup! Everyone loves Mickey Mouse, but Minnie loves him most of all. Done!
What's the title of the book again?
Hey! Everyone loves Mickey.
What do you call that house? What do you call that?
Oh, I don't know.
This one, what do you call this? Is this the what? It's a magic house. What do you call that?
I don't know.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. What's the magic word? So it will appear.
Miska, Mickey Mouse.
What's the magic word?
Miska, Mickey Mouse. Let's turn all the pages.
Who do you like most in the Disney characters? Huh? Who do you like most? Is it Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Daisy, Goofy, or Pluto? Do you like Mickey Mouse? I like Mickey Mouse. Who do you like among these characters? Who do you like best? Who do you like?
Goofy.
You like Goofy?
What kind of animal is
What kind of
this?
animal is that? What do you call her? What do you call her?
I don't know.
What's the name of this girl?
Daisy Duck.
Oh, what animal is Daisy Duck? Daisy is a? It quacks.
Duck.
Duck. That's why it's called Daisy Duck. How about Mickey? What kind of animal is Mickey?
Mouse.
How about Goofy? What kind of animal is Goofy?
Dog.
How about Pluto?
Dog.
And how about Minnie? What kind of animal is Minnie? Minnie?
Mouse.
Mouse. Oh, who do you like best? Mommy likes Mickey Mouse. How about you? Who do you like? Who do you like best in the Disney characters?
Goofy.
Do you like Goofy? Do you like a dog?
Yeah, Goofy. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Caleb Shanda Gisman. I am 3 years old. 1, 2, 3.
And what are you going to do now?
Read it. Hi everybody, I'm going to read this.